Fitzroy Readers, Story 10X, Cat and Kitten. Words we know, like smell, play, wind, tunnel, my, name, milk, moon, cold, stick, stuck, with, camp, tree, cool, pool, room, swim, said, have, old sound, as in pet. Look through the story, find a word with the sound and say the word. Special word, very. Look through the story, find and say the word very. Now we are ready to read the story.
Viv and Kevin had a kitten. His name was Trot. Trot was not very old. Kevin and Viv had a very big cat too. The cat's name was Moll. Moll was 10. Moll did not like Trot. Moll slept on a blanket in a very old box. Moll did not like Trot in the box. "But I like to jump and play in Moll's box," said Trot. Trot sat on the top of Moll. Moll was very cross. "Hiss! Spit!" said Moll. "Get off, Trot! Get off!" But Trot did not get off. Moll bit Trot. Trot ran to Viv. Kevin ran into the room. "Trot must not jump on Moll," said Kevin to the kitten. "It is very bad to get in Moll's box." "It is very bad to spit at Trot," said Viv to Moll. "Trot is just a kitten." Trot and Moll ran from the room. "Will Moll get to like Trot?" said Kevin to Viv. Kevin felt bad. "Not just yet," said Viv. Viv felt bad too. "Let us get a box for Trot too," said Viv. "A box with a blanket," said Kevin. Trot slept in a box next to Moll's box. Moll did not hiss and spit. Trot did not jump on Moll. Kevin and Viv felt very glad.
Words we've used: name, like, play, blanket, very, just, room, jump, tree, said, slept, kitten. Some new words: wept, crept, swept, bump, stump, lump,